Hey, it's Neha. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making lemon loaf. Let's start with half a cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. So I use the pulp in the lemon juice. You can, if you want, or if you need to strain it, go ahead. So we're just going to let this sit for a little bit, and this will make buttermilk. Notice how the milk is starting to curd. This is exactly what you want. Add in half a tablespoon of vanilla extract. Now add in 2 large eggs. Make sure they are at room temperature. Now that you've mixed everything up together, add in 1 cup of sugar. Add in a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, half a teaspoon of salt, about 1 tablespoon of lemon zest, 1 tablespoon of baking powder. And now let's add in our final ingredient. So I have 1½ cup of all-purpose flour. And I'm just gonna add this little by little, just so that it doesn't make this loaf dense. Let's add in the next little portion and then just mix it all in together. So I have my pan greased here. You can either use a loaf pan, or I have a 7½ by 7½ square pan. So let's put our batter in this. So now let's make the icing for the cake. So I have 1 cup of icing sugar, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and 1 tablespoon of milk. Mix all of this together. So the cake went into the oven for 45 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit. Now let's add in our icing. So all you want to do is just pour it on the cake. So just make sure that your loaf is being covered with the icing. And remember, so this is a loaf. This is why there's that dome shape. And if you are using a loaf pan, it's going to be the exact same thing. So don't worry too much, because the taste is delicious. And this is my version of the lemon loaf. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the like button, and thank you so much for watching.